Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Science Supply. Today we're talking about our Kota Pro LED standoffs, specifically our RGB color changing standoffs. These are really cool. There's a lot of neat functionality. They're a little bit larger standoff. They're one of the largest standoffs we actually have. So let's talk a little bit about what comes in the box, because we've had some questions about that and we think it's really important you know ahead of time. So let's take a look. First of all, you're going to get 4 standoffs in each package. The cord that comes attached to the standoff is actually going to be 46.5 inches long. You're also going to get a power converter, and this is going to be just at about 8.5 feet long. And the RGB, the little converter port housing, has 4 different ports, so you can get 4 lights with 1 converter, and it also has this little infrared eye that needs to be exposed when you're installing if you want to use the remote, which leads us to the next thing that comes in the box. So the remote is really where all the functionality comes into play. So you can change it to any of these solid colors. You can have different modes where it'll alternate between different types of motion. You can adjust the intensity of the light up and down, or of course just turn it on and off. So this is a really neat feature. And again, you'll know the difference between the converters that come with our LEDs, because the color changing RGB has this black 10-inch infrared eye. And then of course, all of our standoffs and the Kota Pro line come with mounting hardware. So you're going to get your screws and your drywall anchors for just standard drywall application. So for more information about these products, what comes in the box, and other standoffs, check us out online at jdsciencesupply.com or call us at the number below. Thanks for watching.